Hi everybody, we've been given this question 25 raised to the power of x negative 4 raised to the power of x positive 1 over 2 equal to 4 raised to the power of x negative 1 over 2 positive 21 times 5 raised to the power of 2x negative 2. We expected to find the value of x. Now foremost, what I wish to do is I would like to move this quantity to the left hand side. So this is going to be 25 raised to the power of x negative 21 times 5 raised to the power of 2x negative 2 is equal to, then I would like to move this negative 4 raised to the power of x positive 1 over 2 to the right hand side. So this is going to be 4 raised to the power of x positive 1 over 2 followed by this quantity 4 raised to the power of x negative 1 over 2. Now I can further rewrite this as 4 raised to the power of x times 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 positive 4 raised to the power of x times 4 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. This can be further rewritten as 4 raised to the power of x times root of 4 positive 4 raised to the power of x. This is 4 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. So you can push it down and rewrite it like this. Now further, I can take 4 raised to the power of x as a common quantity. So that would give me root of 4 positive 1 over root of 4, which can be further rewritten as taking LCM as root of 4. I know square root of 4 as a value, it's a perfect square, but I don't want to replace it as of now. So taking the LCM, I get 4 positive 1, which can be further rewritten as 4 raised to the power of x times 5 over root of 4. So this is what we have got. Now on the left hand side, let me show you what we got on the left hand side. I've got 25 raised to the power of x, and this can actually be written as 5 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x negative 21 times 5 raised to the power of 2x times 5 raised to the power of negative 2. Now this is nothing but 5 raised to the power of 2x negative 21 times 5 raised to the power of 2x. 5 raised to the power of negative 2, we can push it and rewrite it like this. Okay, so from here I can take 5 raised to the power of 2x out. So this is going to give me 1 negative 21 over 5 squared. That's going to be 25. Now if I were to simplify this, this is going to be 25 negative 21 divided by 25 times 5 raised to the power of 2x, and 25 negative 21 is going to give me 4, right? So this is going to be 4 over 25 times 5 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 4 raised to the power of x times 5 divided by root of 4. Now what I wish to do is I would like to write 25 as 5 squared. I would like to move this 5 down. So I've got a 5 there. Then I would like to move this 4 down. So this is going to be 4 raised to the power of x divided by 4 times root of 4. Now this is, let me show the working over here. Now this is 4 raised to the power of 1 times 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2, which can be rewritten as 4 raised to the power of 1 positive 1 over 2, which is nothing but 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2. That is a value that we get here. Now what I will do is, let me just use this part of the space. So we have over here 5 raised to the power of 2x divided by 5 squared times 5, that's going to be 5 raised to the power of 3. On the right hand side, you got 4 raised to the power of x divided by 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2. So this is what you have got. Now we can move this to the numerator. This is going to give me 4 raised to the power of x times 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2 with a negative sign, which can be further rewritten as 4 raised to the power of x negative 3 over 2, which is nothing but 4 raised to the power of 2x negative 3 divided by 2, right? Now I can further rewrite this as 4 raised to the power of 2x negative 3 times 1 over 2, which is nothing but 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 of 2x negative 3. This is from the law of indices. This is nothing but root of 4, which is going to give me 2, and that is raised to the power of 2x negative 3. Now coming to the left hand side, I can move this to the numerator. That would give me 5 raised to the power of 2x times 5 raised to the power of negative 3, which can be rewritten as 5 raised to the power of 2x negative 3. So let me place that value, 5 raised to the power of 2x negative 3. Now let me push this to the left side. If I were to push it to the left side, I would get 5 raised to the power of 2x negative 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 2x negative 3 is equal to 1. Now this can be further rewritten as 5 over 2 raised to the power of 2x negative 3 is equal to 1. Now can I write 1 as 5 over 2 raised to the power of 0? Yes, I can very well do that. Now the bases are same, so the exponents can be equated. So this would mean I have 2x negative 3 is equal to 0, which is nothing but 2x is equal to 3, which is nothing but x is equal to 3 over 2. So this is the value of x that we have got. And if you want to check if x is equal to 3 over 2, is this the solution? Of course, we can perform the check also. So this is 25 raised to the power of x negative 4 raised to the power of x positive 1 over 2 should be equal to 4 raised to the power of x negative 1 over 2 positive 21 times 5 raised to the power of 2x negative 2. Now we have found out x value to be equal to 3 over 2. So let me substitute that and show to you that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is 25 raised to the power of 3 over 2 negative 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2 positive 1 over 2. I'm just considering the left hand side first. Now what I wish to do is I would like to rewrite this as 25 raised to the power of 1 over 2 first, and that is raised to the power of 3. Now this is nothing followed by a negative sign, and this is nothing but 4 raised to the power of 3 positive 1. That's going to be 4 divided by 2. So this is equal to 25 raised to the power of 1 over 2. That's nothing but 5. Now this is raised to the power of 3 followed by negative. 2 divides 4 2 times, so you get 4 squared. 5 cubed is nothing but 125. 4 squared is nothing but 16. So if I were to subtract 125 negative 16, this is going to give me 9. I have a 1. This is going to give me 0 and 109. So my left hand side value is 109. Now I should get the same 109 when I substitute the value on the right hand side. So let me just see that. So consider the right hand side. So what is on the right hand side? I got 4 raised to the power of x negative 1 over 2 positive 21 times 5 raised to the power of 2x negative 2. I need to substitute x is equal to 3 over 2. So let's do that. So 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2 negative 1 over 2 positive 21 times 5 raised to the power of 2 times of 3 over 2 minus 2. 2 can be cancelled, and in this case I have 3 over 2 negative 1 over 2. That's going to give me 4 raised to the power of 1 positive 21 times 5 raised to the power of 3 negative 2. That's going to give me 1. So this is nothing but 4 positive. 5 ones are 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 4 added with 105 would give me 109. So you can see that this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So clearly left hand side is equal to right hand side, and the solution that we got, which is x is equal to 3 over 2, is indeed the correct value. So thank you everybody.